Tonight we're going to have shrimp and garlic butter sauce over Zoodles. Okay, so first thing I'm going to put all my spices in here before I add it to the shrimp. So I got lemon pepper spice. I'm going to put that in here. You know, about a tablespoon. There it is. And then I got some Cajun Bayou sauce spice, about a half teaspoon. About that much right there. Old Bay, same thing, about half. Right there. Some adobo powder. Same amount right there. A little chipotle chili powder, give it a little smoky flavor. Same amount. There you go. About half of that amount for some white pepper. And some fresh ground black pepper. Same amount as the white pepper, about half. Alright, I got all my spices now. Let's go ahead grab our shrimp. Gotta put them in this bowl. Take all these spices, mix them up real good so they're nice and blended. Then I'm gonna sprinkle them over the top. And mix them all up. Mix it all up with my shrimp. So I got all these spices. I'm gonna mix up my shrimp. Put it in there. I'm gonna put some Argo cornstarch on there. This is something I learned in the Chinese restaurants. They always like to add cornstarch to all their shrimp or their beef or their chicken or their pork. They like to coat it up so that it gives it a little bit of a searing, and it thickens it up with the juices. So now I got my shrimp is all mixed up with the cornstarch and the spices. Now for my Zoodles, I'm just going to use this is some onion powder. And this is some garlic powder. And then some Italian seasoning. And I'll be mixing those up too. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to put all this in a frying pan and we're going to fry it all up for dinner. Let's go ahead and get started on these. So I'm going to turn this one on high. Turn this one on high. I got some lemon extra virgin olive oil. So I only got a little bit. This is for my my Zoodles right here. And a little bit more for my shrimps. Put some here if I need some more. Okay. All right, so we got our oil's nice and hot. So I got my shrimp. I'm gonna put my shrimp. We're going to do about 2 minutes on one side and then flip it, 2 minutes on the other side, and then it's done. go ahead and put all our zucchini noodles, Zoodles in here. This is nice and hot. Throw in some minced garlic. Stir it around. And my spices are in there. Now, with my Zoodles, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to add some Marsala wine to mine because I like the Marsala wine. Adds a little sweetness to the Zoodles, and I like it a lot. Go ahead and add some of this Marsala wine. You turn that down. I don't like my Zoodles overcooked. You can have them overcooked. I like them nice and fresh, al dente. Alright, this has been 2 minutes, so I'm going to flip these over. You can see how nice they look with their spices and the cornstarch. We're going to do two minutes on this side now. I'm going to turn that down to low because I'm going to put some butter in here now. Maybe medium. It's about 4 tablespoons of butter in here now. I'm going to put in some fresh garlic. This is done. I'm going to turn this one off. Turn this down to low now because these shrimp are pretty much done. I'm going to put some more butter in here. Got this one. So it's like another 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put some lemon juice on top. Lemon seed right there. All right. Now, this is just something I like to do to make it a little bit creamy. I got some mascarpone cheese. You can use cream cheese. I'm going to put it in here, and this is going to give it, I'm going to put a little Parmesan on top, and it'll give it a nice creamy sauce. Look at that, look how nice and creamy that's getting. So this is done. Turning that off. This little bit of mascarpone is gonna melt up in a second. I got some shaky Parmesan cheese. Mix that up. And I think, put it back on. I think I'm going to put a little bit of milk, whole milk I have. There we go. Stir this all up. You can see it's got a nice creaminess to it. There we go, that's looking good. I think I'm going to add a little more cornstarch. A little slurry. All right. There we go. Put that in there. Stir it around. And look at this nice creamy sauce we're getting now. Look at that. Look how nice and creamy that is. All right. There we go. Go ahead and turn it off. And that is done. We add a little more milk to it. There we go. Look at that. That's nice. All right. So we got a nice buttery, garlicky, cheesy cream sauce on these garlic butter shrimp. All right, so now all I gotta do is get my plate. Everything's off. Get a bunch of this Zoodles up here, and put a little bit of the shrimp on here, and get all this yummy cream sauce. Put that right on top, and here we go. Look at this. This looks fantastic. Ooh, it's hot. Mmm. This is delicious. You should try it.